Twitter user slammed Chennai Super Kings after the team website uploaded a picture of Suresh Raina and Sachin Tendulkar with the caption, "Ramesh and Suresh." The current leaders of the points table of 2018 Indian Premier League were slammed as the fans felt that their cricket legend's father was being insulted. Twitterati reacted to CSK's post and wrote, "Just think before what you post, OLH seriously come on. Ramesh was Sachin's father, how could you? This is bullying and trolling straight away. Didn't like this at all. Ramesh is the name of Sachin Tendulkar's father, here you guys are insulting the legend of cricket. Disgraceful behavior by CSK Twitter handle. Respect Sachin."